Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play FIFA 14 full screen on laptop, updated. Press Alt plus Enter to toggle full screen, and then set the in-game resolution to match your native display for proper scaling. If the taskbar still appears, enable borderless window mode or run the game as administrator. I'll walk you through graphics driver options, Steam launch parameters, and quick registry checks to restore true full-screen gameplay. Start inside FIFA 14 graphics menu and choose a resolution that matches your laptop panel for full-screen clarity. Turn off unnecessary post-processing effects and reduce crowd or shadow details to improve frame rate without harming visual fidelity. If you use a dedicated GPU, force the game to use it via your control panel to avoid integrated graphics scaling. These tweaks balance smooth gameplay and visual quality. If the game refuses to go full screen, try compatibility mode for older Windows versions and run the executable as administrator. For Steam or shortcuts, add launch options like full screen to force the desired mode. Updating your GPU driver often fixes quirks, and rolling back a driver can help if issues began after an update. I'll explain where to place launch flags and how to test settings without breaking your saves.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.